Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the Amazon influencer program and how much does it pay, at least pay for me. I mean, there are two things on Amazon. They have their affiliate program, which is not so difficult to get in. I mean, it's still not super easy. And usually as a second step, they have their influencer programs. So the difference of the influencer program is that you get your store. You have like your Amazon storefront. You can add your favorite products there into the store and share the products and get rewarded. And here's the description. Here's also the link. And this is my success of my last month. So if you ever thought, yeah, I'm rich, yeah, I'm definitely not. Definitely not through the Amazon associated or influencer program. It paid me a whopping $1.31. Yeah, crazy. I always thought, yeah, this would be more of, I mean, of course, I don't have a large YouTube channel. I'm not doing a lot, but I leave in every video. And you know, I mean, I have a lot of videos. I have almost 3,000 videos, and I leave the link to this storefront down in the description of every video. And I thought, yeah, maybe it should pay off after some time, but it looks like nobody's interested into that. I mean, this is an honest thing. I mean, this is not influenced by anybody. What I have there in the storefront, I have really all the good products, all the products which I think are good, and bad products which I think are not good are not there. So everything which you find there is actually tested and reviewed from my side and found as good. That's the link here, and you can always find the link down there in the description, but here this time I'll post the thing a little bit higher. You can find this easier. Yeah, these are the things which I like and I have found as good. They work for me, and everything which doesn't work I kick out of my store. If I find even on the long term some negative impacts on these items, I kick them out of my store. If I find something new, I kick all things out and put new things in. So I'm trying to keep it up to date more or less. So everything which you find here should have like a positive review also on my channel. I mean, some of the items I'm not covering with a video because they would be too simple or so, but most of them are covered by reviews, and all of them definitely I have found good, and they should actually work. And yeah, it would be nice if you have a look maybe at these products. Maybe it gives you some interesting ideas of new products which you have never seen. And so I'll keep doing that even for the $1.31. Maybe after more months or years it will pay off, I don't know. But yeah, this is as it is. So it won't make you rich, if that was the question you had. It won't make you rich like in a sudden. You really have to do something, and obviously I'm not doing enough probably, or it's just something which nobody makes rich. I have really no clue. For me definitely is not a life changer, but I keep going as long as I can. And yeah, hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video and give you some insights. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.